Oh, really? Yeah.
Gordon Asaba ombukugu ombyokushubura kurugom Petroleum Authority of Uganda na Shepaho ashoborere ngo haza kubaho omwanya gw'ekishayi ky'enyonyi ekyokushuburiraho Albertine region abahingi bashemire kutamwa amaani omu by'omushuburo yabo okureba ngo bataho ebyo hebe baratwara heru mu kushubura.
Everything will have to end up with food. Even when we were growing up, the basic necessities would be taught. Food was number one. You can sleep under a tree, you can be anywhere, but food comes first.
Ogu ayongere yagira ngu icunduro ry'amashita ryo nditandukwaho omu East Africa kandi na East African Crude Oil Pipeline eriyo neyombekwa nahabw'eki abashubuzi bashemeye kutamwa amaani omu kutunga ebi bakozesa omu bwire obu.
To fully take advantage of these opportunities, players in the agricultural sector must prepare. This requires upgrading production capacity. We are here to build capacity, of course. Ensuring consistent quality standards and building partnerships for technology transfer and skills development. Unlocking agriculture's potential will also depend on investments in feeder roads, which have been done partly in the region, storage facilities, cooling equipment, and processing plants to ease access to markets and enhance the value addition.
Gordon Asaba ebyabigambirwa benagambira abahingi omu Bunyoro sub-region abeberundanire omu Hoima kandi omukoro ogu gube gutebekanisibwa ba Stanbic Bank. Catherine Poran orukurura ekitongore eky'ebyobushubuzi omu Stanbic Bank ayongere yagira ngu nka banka bagarikire aha kushomesa abahingi omu kicweka kya Albertine region okureba ngu bikiriza ebi oil and gas barukwenda kandi yagira nka Hoima okukiri ekicweka kimwe ekirimu eby'amakorro kishemewe kuba nkihereza abantu bingi emirimo.
Do we impact them to improve their financial inclusion, but to improve their sustainability, but also to improve the farmer. Stanbic, we are big about the women, we are big about the youth, we are also big about the farmers. And this year we have launched the Women, Youth and Farmer agenda.
Peter Bintu or National Content Manager omu Uganda National Oil Company ayongere yagira ngu icunduro ry'amashiteri niriza kuhereza abanya-Uganda emirimo bakurenga emitwaro 20.
Is going to host to create employment for almost as many jobs as we have in the upstream and midstream at the moment. So we have vision that there will be jobs for about 20,000 people from the refinery. So there's going to be a very big number of people who are going to come to ensure that they implement the setting up of the refinery and bring it to life. But along with the refinery, in the Kabalega Industrial Park, we are going to have what we call the industries, petrochemical industries, that will be off-taking some of the byproducts of the refinery.
Ebyo bikiryaho or production officer ahabwa Hoima Dr. Charles Kajura agizire ngu abahingi bashimikwa bahebwa emhendo y'ebbeyi eri ahiguru okugira ngo batakaye Russia. Gasha kwa Gada Saba habwa Tayari West.